The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora is the ultimate evolution of the Corvette lineup, pushing the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. Named after Zora Arkus Duntiv, the legendary engineer known as the "father of the Corvette," the Zora takes everything we love about the mid-engine Corvette and elevates it to hypercar levels. This is Chevrolet's boldest move yet, putting the Corvette in direct competition with some of the fastest and most exotic cars in the world. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the 2025 Corvette Zora is powered by a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, paired with a hybrid electric motor. This combination delivers an astonishing 1,000 horsepower, making it the most powerful Corvette ever built. The Zora utilizes a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, with the electric motor powering the front wheels while the twin-turbo V8 sends power to the rear. This setup results in lightning-fast acceleration, with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.2 seconds, rivaling the likes of the Bugatti Chiron and Ferrari SF90 Stradale. The exterior of the Zora is an aggressive evolution of the C8 design, featuring aerodynamic enhancements that improve both performance and cooling. The large front splitter, massive rear wing, and active aero elements help generate incredible downforce, keeping the car planted at high speeds. The carbon fiber body panels reduce weight while enhancing structural rigidity, ensuring that the Zora remains both lightweight and incredibly strong. Exclusive Zora badging and a unique paint palette further distinguish it from other Corvette models. Step inside the Zora, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for both luxury and track-ready performance. The driver-focused layout features premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather, ensuring a high-end feel. The latest version of Chevrolet's infotainment system comes with a high-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a performance data recorder to capture every thrilling moment behind the wheel. The digital instrument cluster displays real-time telemetry, boost levels, and hybrid system information, keeping the driver fully informed at all times. One of the biggest highlights of the Zora is its advanced driving technology. The hybrid powertrain is controlled by an intelligent energy management system that optimizes power delivery based on driving conditions. Chevrolet's latest iteration of magnetic ride control ensures a perfect balance between comfort and track-ready stiffness. Carbon ceramic brakes provide extreme stopping power, while a new version of Chevrolet's performance traction management system allows for precise control in all driving scenarios. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Corvette Zora is expected to start at around $200,000. While that may seem high for a Corvette, it's an absolute bargain when compared to other hypercars with similar performance. With limited production numbers, the Zora will be a rare and highly sought-after vehicle, appealing to collectors and driving enthusiasts alike. The Chevrolet Corvette Zora is more than just a high-performance car, it's a statement. It proves that American engineering can compete with the very best in the world, offering a combination of power, technology, and design that challenges the established supercar elite. With its groundbreaking hybrid powertrain, aggressive styling, and record-breaking performance, the Zora is set to redefine what a Corvette can be. If you're looking for a car that delivers hypercar performance without the hypercar price tag, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora is the ultimate choice. Here is your long script for the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora under the Car Trend channel. Let me know if you need any modifications,